Proverbs 13:22 says, "A good man leaveth an inheritance to his children's children." So building a financial legacy is an important part of the Christian life. But that same verse says, "And the wealth of the sinner is laid up for the just," which means a legacy can be lost due to a sinful lifestyle. That's why at TRADEway we don't just focus on the trading, we also focus on the trader. For generations, our stock market education and support has helped Christians learn to create wealth God's way. This means understanding how His laws affect things like supply and demand, risk and return, advancement, and so much more. It means learning how to work and walk in faith, trusting in the wise counsel of others, and diligently improving your knowledge and skills. Most importantly, it means becoming an empowered person of integrity, influencing the world around you so that others will see your good works and glorify your Father which is in heaven. The Bible's pretty clear. You can't serve God and money, but you can serve God with your money. And the U.S. stock market is one of the most powerful places on earth for multiplying the money God has given you. By taking a systematic approach, you can confidently invest in the stock market without guessing, gambling, or going for it. You can learn how to maximize profits, minimize losses, and pursue a lasting legacy for your family. Whether your goal is to replace your income, grow your retirement, or leave an inheritance for your grandchildren, the TRADEway system is designed to help you learn to do it God's way. With our team of registered investment advisors and support reps who love the Lord and see supporting you as a calling, you can feel confident in having help every step of the way in your trading journey. We can't wait to get to know you and your family and help you reach your biggest goals.